Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how to get gems on Stonebase guys in 2023. Okay, so the first thing after opening your application is to go to the shop. Okay, in the shop, and if you go down to the gem section, you are going to discover here that to get gems, the first thing you can do is to purchase them. Okay, so to purchase gems, you can see the different prices here with the different amount of gems you are going to obtain. If you pay $1.99, you are going to obtain 250 gems. If you pay $5.99, you are going to obtain 800 gems. And if you pay $22.99, you are going to obtain 5,000 gems. Okay, so that's the first way to get gems on Stonebase guys, is to purchase them. Now the second way is to make use of offers. Okay, you can complete offers in order to gain free gems on Stonebase guy. So to get started with this option, all you have to do is just to tap on that get offer button, and different offers will be given to you, and all you have to do is to complete them, and you will definitely get some chances to get free gems on Stonebase guys. Now the last way for you to get gems on Stonebase guys is to use the lucky wheel. Okay, by making use of the lucky wheel, you can get the chance to get some free gems on Stonebase guy. Okay, so all you have to do is just to spin the lucky wheel, and you can get the chance to get some free gems on Stonebase guy.